from KathysKuteKreations with, come on, you haven't forgotten your name, Megan, my granddaughter. And we've come today to present Yvette's first, #1, Uno box.
Numero uno.
Numero uno. Sorry about that.
Ay, ay, ay.
And it is her perfectly pieced project box. And it is one-of-a-kind foundation paper piecing project box. Would you like? And we need to get the scissors because it's not open.
Well, you should have done that beforehand.
I didn't think about it. All right. You want to do the honors? Or shall I do the honor? I'll make up your mind. Oh my gosh.
Gosh, you make this look so fun.
Oh, it goes down that left-hand side. Or
There's
not.
a piece of tape right.
Yeah.
You know what? There's tape everywhere. Yvette, what are you doing? What are you doing?
The mailmen weren't going to get in it, I promise. They don't care. No, it has to go,
See?
you have to go
I
down
was
that
trying
way.
to go down
Okay,
that
go
way.
that way like that.
And you...
Don't shake it up.
What's in it?
Something's in it. I don't know what's in it. Fabric, paper.
We're going to get this tape one day or another, Yvette.
Okay. Careful, don't let the stuff fall out, honey.
The stuff?
Yeah. I don't think that... Will it come off?
I don't think it'll come off. It's tape. It...
You think we never opened a box before? God.
I give up with the skizzos.
Okay, lay it down here and I'll put the camera down
I'll
on
put
it
the
as you
camera
open
down
the
on
box.
it and you open the box.
Okay? All right, hold
No,
on a
you
second.
won't.
All right.
Now, the moment you've all been waiting for.
Let's hope it doesn't fall out. There we go. Big pink polka dots. Oh, Yvette, you're such a good rapper. We should all be
That's
so
pink?
lucky.
Oh, it is. It looks red on the thingy. It says Yvette's Creations.
What's inside the box?
We don't want to know the secrets.
It's not a secret.
It's a surprise.
Okay, put it down here so we can show it with this camera. I'm not shaky here.
No.
All right, come on. Drum roll.
Ah! What was that? Ah! The screams.
I thought we had a flasher in here or something. Oh, look at pattern. Perpetual motion.
Back it up so they can see.
I got too much glare on it.
There's too much
so
glare on
glare. There we go.
There is that.
All right, so
There's fabric. I see
we need to
candy.
hold it up a little bit so we can. Oh, there we go. So what does the FPP stand for? I know it's paper piecing, but what is it?
Foundation paper piecing.
I didn't think you knew. Okay, I'm being joke. So this is going to be 44 by 44. That's a good size.
Inches, not feet.
I know, inches.
Well, some people don't.
Okay, inches. And it is a skill level of confident beginner. I'm a confident beginner. How about you?
No.
You're not? You're a beginner,
No.
beginner? Let's look at the paper piece first. Okay, so
Go ahead.
okay, so she doesn't want to do it when we're facing down on the table, so we're going to show it like this and try not to get the glare on it.
This is too shaky.
And I already like it. Those colors are wonderful. They are. And I saw that paper right there. Let me pull the paper out. And I'm going to tell you what, Yvette, this is the first thing that I think is fantastic because it is large. I love it when it's large. Although I don't know about these thin little pieces right here, but all the rest of it looking big is good. And I'm going to guess we're going to need to mark it with the numbers because there's no numbers on the paper, but that's fine. Don't have a problem with that.
Size matters.
I'm sure. I don't
The
know.
bigger the better.
It depends on what it is. We're talking a pizza, yeah. It needs to be big, loaded with stuff.
Right.
But if it's
pizza,
money, it needs to be a large denomination.
Next thing we have is a thread. Their camera's over there.
And that's a little bit of a gray color?
It is number 2600.
Okay. Very good, very
It's
good.
cotton.
Cotton?
Cotton.
Orafil.
Can't. Orafil.
Yes, the good kind.
Oh, fancy.
Yes. Okay, shit.
I thought you were
Alright.
going to catch it. You pick the next thing.
Alright.
No, not that. That's last.
All right, so let me get
That's
this here.
last.
Oh, look at all this beautiful color. All right, let's take this out first. So I'm
We
gonna
have
guess
a
that the background
Gray fabric.
is gray.
We also have...
So let's
Working on that side first.
Oh, well, all right.
Oh, that's underneath. We'll
Yeah.
do this side first.
Okay.
Then. The next is this pink with little designs on it.
And I'm going to tell you right
and
now.
this one up here looks like a popsicle or a feather.
I'm horrible with the designers of the fabric, but this is beautiful fabric. So I think, I can't be sure, that it is, what's the name of that fabric that she likes so well?
Nice fabric.
No, it's got a
That
name.
pink
Something in glass, but I can't think what the name of it is. I
comes
think that's what this
the
is.
same design in orange and green.
Well, no, is that really a green or is that more of
That is a green.
a green? Okay.
That is a green.
All right.
Tis a green.
I
Tis
believe-
a...
Allison in glass. I think that's the name of this fabric. I'm just guessing.
Good to know. Good to
Okay.
know. The next ones we have...
Oh. A real pretty black. Black on black. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, it's not Halloween yet, but I hear tell she's putting out a Halloween box. We'll have to get that too.
We can't spill secrets.
It's not a secret.
This is the interwebs. Secrets get out.
And this goes with that black. That's really, really pretty. See that little design right there? Looks like the same design that was on that black.
Okay, going along with the black, the same design is in a blue,
Ooh, that's pretty. It's a blue and a green.
a
Or blue and an aqua. Isn't that aqua? Aqua.
this blue, a lighter blue,
Aqua.
a yellow.
Okay.
I thought you were gonna say mustard.
No.
And a green.
Okay.
Do you think that's green?
That looks like green.
Okay.
I
Well,
have a hard time telling my greens.
aw. Do you now?
Oh, I get the next bunch. So here's a real pretty, and I don't know what these are. Now this is similar to the one that we had before, but it's in pink,
It's floral. It
And-
also comes in...
green,
Yes. Good job. Good job.
but it looks like
Very proud of
gold
you.
and blue and
Yeah, it's green. And the next one?
this is mustard. That's what makes me think of mustard.
So where's our ketchup?
I don't know. We don't have any ketchup in the pile here. And then our orange.
It's you catching up with your colors. All right, the next one. I will show this, and you will show those.
Okay.
Okay. The next ones that we have, my dear friends, are this.
That's pretty.
Yes,
I like it.
indigo-ish, and then pink.
Yeah, those are nice.
And then the last few fabrics will be shown by Miss Catchy.
Okay, so this is the pink, similar to the black one.
I saw something that's very nice.
And this is really, really pretty. Oh my goodness.
It's like pretty
Look at
confetti.
this. It looks like the solar system. You were far, far away. It'd be like the stars out there.
Solar system.
The stars. Doesn't it look like stars way in the distance up in the sky? The night sky?
It looks like fireworks or confetti to me.
Okay, well there you
But
go.
you
A couple of
know,
versions. Oh, and we have some machine needles. So looks like a size 90 machine needles. And Yvette would know whether you're to use these because she is the paper piecing queen. I should say foundation paper piecing queen, but she should know.
She should know. I hope so. If she's teaching it, I hope she knows. And last, and certainly above all, candy. Candy!
Nothing needs to be in the box, Yvette, except candy for Megan.
And something sparkly.
Yes.
Such as this. Well, it's not like sparkly, but you know. You get the idea. This is a Bronx Royals. I don't know which one it is. You know, it's one of those. But it's a orange flavor. You like orange.
Okay.
This one? No, I want this one. Because this is a Bronx Royals or Royals, however you say it, chocolat. And I'm sure that is similar to a Tootsie Roll.
Okay.
I'm not a Tootsie Roll person, but if you want to send Tootsie Rolls to her P.O. box, feel free to send them all. Or don't, you know, up to you.
Okay, so
and if you're going to send Tootsie Rolls, send Reese's, because, like the peanut butter cups, because, ooh. Anyway, moving on.
Are you done advertising for yourself?
Don't forget to address it, too. KathysKuteKreations. Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, so let's tell you what's inside the box. So the fabric consists of 7 yards. The pattern, let me show the pattern again. The value of the pattern is $15. And let me open it up because I see something on the back side of the pattern.
Come on, my arms are getting tired.
Okay, stop. Alrighty, so this is the paper that is not marked, and so we will need to mark it based on this pattern. Oops, fell over a little bit there. Okay, so that should be easy enough to do. And then this, now this is a smaller version of that. This is the other piece of the pattern because it has 2 different blocks. I wanted to show this picture. So there's where you see the 2 different blocks. This is the one piece, and this is the flying geese. And she nods her neck. Okay, so the pattern is $15.
Uh-huh.
The printed templates is $5.
Uh-huh.
The thread is $5. The needles, which everybody can always use needles, is $4. And of course, you know there's hugs and kisses from Yvette in this box.
Of
because
course.
she always gets those in here.
Gips.
She gives hugs and kisses. So,
the total
from
value
me, okay, so the total value of the box
is priceless because the hugs and kisses were included.
That's true. So $109 and priceless. Plus priceless?
No, just priceless.
And so what do we about this box? We love this box.
I don't know about you, but I think it's some nice balls.
There you go. Thanks, Yvette, for knocking it out of the park, girl, on your first box. I can't wait to see your second one because I like Halloween, too. How about you? You like Halloween? She's going to make one for Halloween. I can't wait to see what she's got in store. Could be a spider, could be anything. Pumpkin, bat, spider, witch, who knows? Could be a wall hanging.
Could be a ghost.
There you go. Could
She'll
be anything.
send spirits in your box.
Take those hints and run with them.
She'll send you the spirit of Halloween.
But thanks, seriously, Yvette. We love the box. Thanks a lot. We'll see everybody next time. Bye-bye. Back. Because we forgot to say
Don't forget to
like, comment, subscribe, and ring the little bell.
Yay! Good job. I'm so proud of you. Are you ready?
Bye again.
Bye.
Till next time.